How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, and you are reading well and watching the videos from my channel to get the actual concept of each topic of the matter. Okay, so let's start today's class. And in today's class, I will not start any kinds of topic. Okay, today we'll discuss about on few questions. Okay, based on a topic that has already discussed on the last classes. Okay, so few questions are here. I will discuss one by one, and you must have to listen to it, and if it is possible you please write down all the question answers, okay, from my word, and make a concept and write the answers in your copy and send it to me. Okay, my email id is given there. Through email id you must send me your this questions answer that will be given. Okay, and send to me. I will make it correct if there is any problem. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the questions. Just open the book, the Ncert book. Okay, there are a few questions in page number 3. So from page number 3, I will read the questions and I will tell the answers, and you must have to write those if it is possible. Okay, and must send me your answers by mail. Okay, that's it. So let's go for first question. The in-text first question is, which of the following are matter? So you know that what are the matters? Matters are those things, those which have the mass and volume. Okay. Mass and volume, those which have combinedly together are commonly known as the matter. Okay, so let's find out. Few names are given there. If they have both these things, then they are matter. If they don't have such things, they are not. Okay, so the first number, the first word is tell about chair. Okay, chair. You know that a chair is a wooden part. Okay, a kind of wooden furniture. So it has, of course, a mass and volume. Got it? So that's how we can say that yes, a chair is a mass. Next, air. Air that is blowing. What is that? Is this a matter? Of course, it is a matter. Why? Because if we take the air in any container, and if I supposed to take its mass and its volume, of course we will get the mass and volume, right? Because they also have the atomic particles in them, so that's why air is also kind of matter. Next, love. By love is a kind of feeling. Okay, love is a kind of feeling. People used to feel that love, it occurs. Okay, so that's why, as the love is a kind of feeling, or it's a kind of sensitive part, a sensitive thinking. Okay, and we know that such type of thinking has no mass and volume at all. So that's why love is not a matter. Next, smell. We are taking the smell. Okay, your mom is cooking a very spicy food. Okay, and you are getting the smell from the bedroom. So as the smell coming through which medium? From air. Okay, so it means that that also contain the molecular part in it. Okay, so it means that it has mass and volume both. Yes, smell is also under a matter. Next, hate. I hate you. I hate somebody. Okay, I hate that people. So hate means also a kind of thinking. Okay, I think that I hate that people. So it is also kind of feeling. So that's why it is not a matter. Next, almonds. Almonds. Almonds are kind of nut. Okay. So of course, as this exists in the world, and we can hold it, we can chew, we can take the nutrients of it easily. So of course, it's a matter. Next, thought. We are thinking what to do, what not to do. Okay. So such type of thought is also kind of feeling. So it doesn't come, or it will not be allowed in matter. So it's not a matter. Next, cold. I'm feeling shivery cold. What is that? Or suppose a glass of water that is given to you for drinking, it is cold. The ice cream is very cold. Okay, so this hot and cold, it is all kind of sense of us. Okay, you know that our fifth sense organ, that's the largest sense organ in our body. That is the skin. Okay, our skin tells us that what is cold and what is hot. So we know that hot, cold, such type of things are a kind of touch. By touching, by feeling, we can get the sense of it. So it means that cold is not a matter. Next, lemon water. Of course, lemon water. Lemon and water both makes a solution, lemonade. So lemonade, of course, it's a matter. Next, smell of perfume. Smell of perfume or smell of anything. Smell of cooking. It is under matter. It has already given smell. Okay, so it is also under a matter. That's all. Now come to number two. So number one completed. You must write down all the answers in your copy. Number two, give reasons for the following observation. Yes, so here you have to read the observation and then you have to say that what is the reason behind it. Got it? So the question is the smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get a smell from cold food, you have to go too close. What is it? It is only because of the smell that is coming out. You know that when any kinds of sizzling food or very spicy food, when it is made, when it is cooking, okay, or it is still now in hot condition, that time the actual evaporation used to occur from there. Okay, the small water particles as a air or evaporation, water vapor, it used to come out along with the smell, along with the flavor of that food. Okay, and when this smell used to mix with the atmosphere and then it scattered around the home or around the surrounding part of your house, so not only me but also many of the people will get the smell that right now today such type of food is making in this house, right? So by this condition, through this condition, we can say that yes, the smell for the hot sizzling food or hot spicy food, it is very easy to get from several meters away. Got it? But if I say for the cold food, cold means it is fully cold, it means there is no vaporization is occurring. No vaporization there. Got it? So that's why we will not get even the food from we are quite a distance from that food. We have to go to close to that food. Got it? Then we can get the actual flavor of it. Okay, so it is only because of the air. Here, the air medium is working for the hot sizzling food. Okay, so hope you have got the answer of it. Please write down in your copy. Number three, a diver. A diver. Who is diver? Diver and driver both are not same. Driver means the people those who run the vehicles. Okay, people those who run the vehicles are called driver. Okay, like truck driver, then bus driver, car driver, or these all this. And diver means those who dive into the water. Okay, from the several distance they used to dive into the water are called diver. So a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? I think you can say because we have already read the characteristics of the particles of matter. Okay, and we have already read about the properties of a matter. So at the first topic of the property, what we have said that the matter is made up of particles and how small the particles are in a matter. Okay, and if we say for that the matters or the particles of matter have the tendency to take the space between them. Okay, they have a tendency to take the space between them. It means they are continuously moving here and there. Okay, so for that purpose the water that is present in swimming pool, it is a kind of medium where the water, the H2O particles, the hydrogen particles and oxygen particles are combined, joined together, and they are just moving here and there, here and there, here and there in that medium. Okay, so it means that they are loosely packed. We knew it very well. All the atomic particles are loosely packed in any kinds of medium, whether it is water or milk or kerosene oil or petrol, diesel. Okay, so for that purpose they have a space, and in that space when a solid substance like a diver body, suppose our body, if I want to dive in water and I want to swim in water, so easily I can swim. Okay, why? Because my body is a solid substance. Okay, and this solid substance only based on its desire, it is moving in the water in a liquid substance, and liquid substance have all the molecules have a bond, but very loosely bond in them. So that's why I can easily cut out the water. Okay, so by cutting the water, I can easily swim in water. Okay, so this is the point that you have to mention, of course, in your answer. So must write the answer. The next and the last question: what are the characteristics of the particles of matter? What are the characteristics of particles of matter? We have already read that number one, particles of matter have tendency to get the space between them. Then number two, particles have a tendency to move continuously. Okay, and number three, particles of matter have tendency to make an attraction to each other. Okay, try to adapt to each other. That's it. Okay, and you must have to explain 2 to 3 lines if it is possible. If the explanation after writing the points, after writing the heading of it, so it will be better for you, and teacher will get the notice your copy very well, that this boy or this girl knows in a better way. Okay, so for that, by 1 or 2 examples, you can clarify points. Okay, so these were 4 questions in text questions must get from your Ncert book. So must take it out and must write the questions and the answers that I have just discussed. If you face any kinds of problem, you must ask me in the comment section. I will give the answer to you. Okay, so fine, and my email ID is there. You must send me your answers through email. Okay, thank you so much. Keep connected with my channel, subscribe my channel, and the next explanation is coming soon. Bye bye.